Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my February premium box, so let's get into it. The theme for the February premium box from BoxyCharm is Be My Glamentine. This is a really cute info card. You know, BoxyCharm has the cutest info cards. So let's talk about the items that came in this month's box. The first item we're going to talk about is from Huda Beauty, and it is the Mercury Retrograde palette. And this was a palette, when it first came out, I was on the fence about purchasing this palette. I really wasn't sure if the color story was going to be up my alley for me personally, but I used this palette to create this gorgeous eye look today, and you guys are going to see that in the demo portion of this video. But this is a really, really nice palette, you guys, and I'm so shocked and surprised, pleasantly surprised, that we got it in this premium box from BoxyCharm. I keep telling you guys, do not sleep on BoxyCharm. I'm not sure what your experiences may have been. I'm not sure what you may have heard. BoxyCharm is a good way to try out makeup products from brands that you've heard of and maybe some brands that you have not heard of. We all have heard of Huda Beauty. We know who this is. We know what this is about. And this is what this palette looks like. It is a really unique looking palette, I think, in my opinion. I think that this was supposed to be a colorful palette from Huda. I believe that was the intention of it. And to look at it, you know, you would think, okay, well, that's not a whole lot of bright color and things like that. But to put these shades on your eyes is a totally different story. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, colorful shades. You have gorgeous shimmers. You have duochromes. And we know that the mattes that come from Huda are really, really good quality. I love the mattes from Huda. And the info card states, take your look to infinity and beyond with 18 cosmic shades. With both bold and neutral shades, this palette delivers infinite possibilities, and the retail cost is $67. The next item is from Dime Beauty Company, and this is their Eyelash Boost Serum, and this is what the actual product looks like. And the info card states, grow your own naturally full and beautifully long lashes with the help of this best-selling Eyelash Boost Serum. Improve length, density, and strength of hair and overall follicle health with this proprietary blend of amino acids and peptides. I've been seeing a lot of eyelash serums here lately. Let's see what this looks like. This has that eyeliner type of applicator. It looks like it just goes on clear there. If you can see that on my hand, it's right there. Yes. The packaging does have a bit of weight to it though. So this is quite interesting. I don't know. I've been on the fence about the eyelash serums, but maybe I'll try it. I definitely could use some help with my natural lashes. Most of the time I wear eyelash strips, but you know, it's good to have your natural lashes lengthen and in shape as well. So yeah, this is from Dime Beauty Company. This is their Eyelash Boost Serum, and the retail cost is $44. This next item is from Christophe Robin, and it is the Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. And the info card states, this mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baboa leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater, this mist helps enhance the hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. I like the idea of that. My hair, unfortunately, as I mature, is getting a bit thinner, so maybe this would help to add a little bit more volume. It has a very heavy rose scent. Not too fond of the fragrance or the way it smells, but it doesn't seem to linger too long. It seems to dissipate relatively quickly. So yeah, I will definitely be trying this out. This is the Christophe Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water, and the retail cost is $39. This next item is from Moonlit Makeup, and this is called Primed for the Night. Is this a primer? Yes, okay. The info card states an eyeshadow primer. Okay, this is an eyeshadow primer. The info card states the eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant, long-lasting color wherever your adventure leads. I love using eyeshadow primers. Oh, this is a really cute package. Very, very cute packaging. And this is what it looks like. That's the applicator. And let's see, that's not too light. Let's see. Yeah, it really kind of turns quite transparent once you start to blend it in or push it into the skin. Very nice. So again, this is from Moonlit Makeup. This is their eyeshadow primer that's called Prime for the Night, and the retail cost is $18. This next item is from Vike Beauty. That's V-I-K-E. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Vike Beauty. And it's the Makeup Melt. Okay. Alright. And the info card states, a makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. I've always wanted to try one of these Makeup Melt type sprays, and the info card states that Vike Beauty is new to BoxyCharm, so this is the first time that we've had a product from this particular brand in our boxes from BoxyCharm. And the retail cost for the Vike Beauty Makeup Melt is $24. And the last and final item that came in my premium box from BoxyCharm for the month of February is from Uma Beauty, and it is the Badass MF Lip Liner. Alright, they're trying to get all of us in trouble with the name of this product. This is in the shade Angelou, and this is what it looks like. And this is the shade, if you can see that here. That's the shade there. So, nice shade of lip liner. The spring and summer months are coming up, so I think it'll be really pretty for spring and summer months. Just to line those lips and then maybe pop in an even lighter nude type color, I think would be really pretty. But the info card states, shape and fill your lips to add definition and structure with these highly pigmented, silky smooth lip liners designed to be worn with your favorite lipstick shade. And the retail cost is $16. So as usual, I added up the cost of all the products that came in my premium box for the month of February. There were a total of 6 products in my box for the month of February, and that included the Metro Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty, and the total cost for all 6 of those items is $208. I can't say it enough, you guys. I pay substantially less than $208 for my premium box from BoxyCharm. As a matter of fact, I do believe that my monthly subscription cost for this premium box is $34.99, and I'm getting a total of $208 worth of products for that $34.99. It's an awesome way to try out products, you guys. So I'm going to leave a referral link below. Feel free to use that link if you decide to sign up for BoxyCharm, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there, and you can start receiving your own box. So let's get into the demo portion of this video. Alright, so my eyebrows are done. My eyelids have been prepped. I used my P. Louise eyeshadow base to prep my eyes for this eye look today. And I am going to go into this Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. And I am going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Momentum. And I'm going to use this as my brow bone highlight. I'm now going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Off Balance, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm now going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Hot Mess, and I'm going to place this on my outer V and sweep it into the crease. I think I may keep this more so in the crease and maybe add in this darker shade right here more so on my outer V, but I'm gonna stretch out on this look. There's some beautiful shimmer shades in here, like this shade right here. I want to use that. That looks absolutely gorgeous. This is looking really pretty so far, but I do want to darken up my outer V just a little bit. So I'm going to go into this shade. This shade is called Vortex. This is the deepest shade in this palette. I'm going to tap this on the outer V just to give me a little bit of depth in there. I've done my little half cut crease situation like I always do. I like carving out a part of my lid when I'm going to use a shimmer shade. So I've done that. So I'm going to go back to my Crease Pro and I'm going to go back into the deepest shade in this palette, and that's this shade right here. This shade is called Vortex, and I am going to soften up the edges of where I've had to carve out this lid just a little bit. You guys have seen me do this numerous times, so that's what I'm doing. Just softening it up just a little bit. And now I am going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Mercury. This is this gorgeous blue-green shimmer shade in this palette. The formula of this eyeshadow is so soft and creamy. So it looks wonderful, and I'm going to place this in my inner corner on the areas where I have carved out. Pretty. I think I'm going to go back into this shade right here. This shade is called Off Balance, and I'm going to use my MAC 242 brush, and I am going to do some blending to marry the shades that I have on my lid together, just right in here. Just like so. And I think I want to add a little bit more of my Vortex here. That's my darker shade. I don't want to lose that. Just a little bit. Very pretty. I'm going to go back to this shade right here. This shade is Hot Mess, and I am going to use my Sigma E36 brush, and I'm going to add a little bit more of this shade in the areas where I've had to manipulate my natural crease line. I do think that this is a really pretty, soft, colorful type of look. I'm going to add some liner and some lashes. I'm going to finish off my complexion, and I'll be right back. My complexion is done, so it's now time to smoke out my waterline, and I am going to go back into the Mercury Retrograde palette once again, and I think I'm going to use these two darker shades to smoke out my waterline. I'm going to start off with Vortex, and then I'm going to then move into Hot Mess, and I think for the inner corner I'm going to use this shade. This shade is called Cosmic. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.